Next up, we're going to look at exercise number 4, which is to take the existing query but change it so it's basically much more useful. So rather than having to code in the name of the customer that you want to actually show in the data in terms of the report, you're now going to be prompting the user to type the surname in. This is really easy to do. So I'm going to go back to my original DOM invoice query here, which was written for free delivery. And we're just going to go into the design view and let's just bring up the design here. So all we're going to do is, where I've written livery to get free deliveries data, I'm going to get rid of that and I'm going to put in square brackets, and then I'm just simply going to type a message. So please input member surname. Now, because it's in square brackets, it fools Access into thinking that it's a field name and it can't find it. So what it will do is it will ask you for the data. So when we run it, it comes up with this enter parameter value and my message, please input member surname, and it will go off and match anything that I put in. So I know, for example, that Sadie Word has made some bookings. So if I put in her surname, press enter, and there you are. You can see that she's booked for Antarctic Monkeys and Minimo Park. So that makes it really, really useful because you can run write one query and you can use it many, many times. So that I'm just going to save it as parameter query. Like so. If we now go over and look at the reports, here's the original one that I made. I'm just going to go into design view, and where I've got the record source, I'm just going to change that and change it to parameter query. Now it will run the parameter query instead. So if we now press view, it now runs the query, and because it's prompting me for the surname, then we have the surname, so we know Sadie Word has booked something. I click that, and there you go, invoice prepared for Miss Sadie Word, and it's got the correct data and the subtotaling. So really very, very useful in terms of saving yourself a lot of time and making it nice and flexible for the user.